Alright, so this is a video for Pooh. Dimitri. Alright, first of all, I'm trying to open the door on the back deck. This would be our problem. Yeah. Jack, you want to go outside? Go ahead. Go. Go. Jump. Go.
Come here.
Go. Go. Go see Daddy. Go. Go get him.
Come on.
Oh my.
Come on. Come on. Come
This
on.
is a
Come
problem.
on.
Go ahead.
Come here.
You can do it. There's such a... Oh.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, good boy. Shake, 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 shake.
Good boy.
Oh.
Good boy.
This is an obnoxious amount of snow. How you doing, Dee?
Look how high it goes up.
Wait a minute. Oh my God. That's our table. That's the path into the kitchen. Oh my God. Look at that. Wow. That's some amazing snow. That's pretty good. Go get the kids. That's our pea run for Jack that we snow blowed, and also to our oil. Yeah, it's very impressive. Go, Jack can't get down. Go!
Yeah.
The kids are making some sort of fort over there. It's up to Arya's chest. That's pretty amazing. Alright. Wish you guys were here. This will be a distant memory when we're in Corsica.
Look at that.
What?
Door open and all that heat coming out.
Wow. Oh, wow.